You tried that EMI calculator, anybody? Done successful? Posted into classroom. I will check once. Able to achieve that example, right? Yes. Because already design we completed only this. BMI calculator also done. Anyone? Tried that formula? You once try that BMI calculator also. Right. Next, yeah. After understanding these arithmetic operators and how to use them with some examples we saw. Now next important is we have the operators like assignment, conditional operators. So we have comparison operators. We have comparison operators. Comparison operators we have double equal. This is for equal. Equal. We have triple equal. This is for identical equal. We have not equal. Not equal. We have not identical. So this is not identical. Not identical. Identical. So we have greater than. So not identical is only one. Not equal, not identical. Okay. Next we have greater than. Greater than, and we have greater than or equal. Greater than or equal. We have less than. So less than or equal. Equal. All these are comparison operators. Comparison operators. So almost we know others also, greater than, less than, and all these. Only the difference in many interviews they ask is, what is difference between double equal and triple equal? That is the major. Others are simple. Greater than, less than, not equal, and all this. Actually, the frequently asked question is, what is difference between double equal and triple equal? This is the question. Actually, double equal is double equal can compare two values of various types. For example, suppose where x equal to 10. This is string type. Where y is equal to 10. This is number type. So suppose you say x equal to y. If x equal to y, it returns true. So why? Because this string is having 10. So it can compare. If it is having number inside string, it can compare. It can compare because it internally converts. It internally converts into number and will compare. So double can compare different types, but we should not allow. We should not allow comparing two different types. We want to compare only when both are same type. In that case, we can write like this. If triple equal y, this is false. Because triple equal can compare only when both are same type. That means what is the purpose of triple equal? triple equal can compare two values of same type only. Any another type you try to compare, it will return false. So generally in JavaScript, this is very important because sometimes we use double equal. Why we use double equal? Suppose you asked user to enter age. He entered from text box. When anything entered from text box, it will be string. And you comparing with a number. Then if it is not comparing, then problem will come. We know that it is always string will come, but still we have to compare. In that case, better use double equal. We don't want to compare if it is string, only numbers, both string, then only compare. Then we can use triple equal. For example, see now here. So how the comparison works. Right. So here, let's see. Suppose I am creating a, so yeah. So here I am defining script and where x equal to 10, where y is equal to 10, and document dot write x double equal to y. X double equal to y, always it is going to return true. But we don't want to compare different types. So triple equal. Triple equal, that means it will return false. Because it can compare only when both are number. Or it can compare only when both are string. If both are string type, it can compare. One string and one number, then it cannot compare. It cannot compare. So strictly it should compare only when both are same type. In that case, we have to use triple equal. Always it is recommended to use triple equal if you are directly comparing with a value. If you are expecting a value to come from form which is sending a string and you want to compare it, then better use double equal. So depending on the situation, right? So comparison operators, we have this. No need to explain greater than, less than, greater than or equal, less than or equal. Already we know that. In some examples we will implement how to handle, we will see. So these are comparison operators. So what are the comparison operators available and how to use them, right? Already operators we will use in examples I will tell you in next level. First we will know about them, then we will put in example. Next we have assignment operators. Assignment operators. Assignment operators, we have like plus equal. This is add and assign. We have minus equal, asterisk equal, slash equal. So we have double equal. So we have modulus equal, modulus equal. So these are assignment operators. Assignment operators. What is the purpose of these assignment operators? I will show you one example. Means how to use these assignment operators, plus equal or minus equal, anything. So if you know one, others also we can use. To see, suppose I am giving here, means how to use that assignment. Just one example I will give here. Alert, I will give a head section and I will give a body section just roughly, and I am giving a paragraph and I will give a button add folder. Okay. Now here button click is equal to add click. Okay, we will write a script here and the function is add click. On add click, I'm using var folder name is equal to, we will put prompt and enter name, right? Now I'm defining here, so example like uh, doc query selector, and here I will put paragraph dot inner html equal to folder name. That means folder created, and I will give the folder name and br. I will put a line break. Now see what happens here. I am using equal. Assign this message into this. Now for example, I send another message, then every time it will assign the latest message into this. If it is assigning the latest message, the old message is gone. You see now here, I am clicking add folder, folder name music. Okay, folder created music. I clicked again add folder. Now remember, in this paragraph already this message is there, and I type so movies, it will remove that and it will assign it. But I need to keep the message which is already there. To that I need to add this message. Then we use so plus equal. This is add and assign. That means equal means it will replace the old one. Plus equal means keep the old one, add the new one. So in that case, now you see here add folder. So music, okay. Again add folder, movies, okay. And again you see, suppose some personal, okay. That means it will be adding to the existing without losing the existing content. So add the new content. That is what actually plus equal. Similarly, already what is there, from that subtract new value. Then use minus. Multiply to existing. That means it will be asterisk equal. We use in various occasions all this, because if you know one, others also similar. Let's try one more here. Means I will show you how we can use them. Example also we will see. Let's create this example. Let's see one more option. Suppose I am giving here, this is okay. Let's clean up all this. Just I will keep here. Let's create a div, and in that we have a button move. And here I will keep another div. Okay, and here I will keep source, public images, some jacket, and width 50, height also 50. And this is the image we have. Let's keep the style as padding as some 20 pixel. So border as 2 pixels, solid, some black. Okay, let's keep this like this. And you see, this is the content we have. So I give margin top 20 pixel. Okay, let it be like this. This is the image we have inside it. Now when I click on move, it should move 20% from left. So we need to move some space left. So that means suppose I said move right. Right. Now how you add here? See, I will click here on click as move right. Okay. And here we have a function move right. Okay. And here we will put where pick is document dot get element, not element by document dot query selector image. I have only one image. Now this pick, so I will keep here. So position, that means I will keep as position. Position is equal to, so default position is 10 pixel. I am having 10. Default I am having 10. Okay. Now I am giving, so here I am defining. So pick dot style dot margin left. Margin left is equal to, so 10. 10. So here plus 10 plus 10, I am adding like this. That means it will increment by 10. So, or I'll just give position. Okay. Position plus 10. Position is already 10 to that 10. Now, very important is, now what happens is, I will keep this move right. It will move like this. So move right, it is keeping there only. It is keeping there only. That means when I refresh this, it moved right 10. After that, again click, then again the new position is applied. But I am giving plus equal. That means now here, so here we are moving right here. Again, this pixels plus what? Px. Because style requires pixels. What is the meaning of plus equal now? It should add to the existing. And what is the left margin? To that margin, it will add the position. So we will do like this. I'm just using pixels, right? Take the value now. Means show you the value. Let's see. I will show you the value. Console.log. What is it? Position. Position plus 10. I'm using position plus 10. Now observe carefully. Go to inspect. In the inspect, you go to elements, console, move right, it is 20. Again move right, again 20 only. Again move right, again 20 only. Every time 20 only coming. Suppose I defined here, so the position plus equal, understood? So plus equal, that means add and equal. Plus equal 10. You see now I click move right, it is 20, and again it is 20 on. Now what should happen? This new value should be printed again. That means what we have to do, the position value. So here we have to write like this, position plus 10. That means position is defined like this. Now what is the position value? 10. The position value is 10. It is stored in position only. 20. It is stored in that location only. Now, how I can get the new value and store inside it? Suppose I am giving another where new position. Okay. This new position is equal to plus equal to position. Then what happens? And I need to print the new position. So I will put console.log, another one, new position. And you see move right. So it is showing not or why new position is 0. Okay. Yeah, you can see it is 10 and 10, 10 every time it is 10. Now, how do I increment with 1? Increment with 10. How you can do that? Suppose I am giving here into 10. Suppose you see now the value of it is 100 and 100 is coming every 100 is coming every time. So position into 10 will give 100. This value need to be stored in a new location and that should be updated every time. Then how? To the existing value, new value must be added. Tell me the logic. Only plus equal I have to use. Means only assignment operator I have. Only assignment operator I have to use. I will keep it more simple. Position is how much? 10. I want to add 10. That means to that. Then console.log, console. And print it. Okay. Console.log position is already 10. So we will put as 10. Okay. Then what it will do? It will print 20. Again, if I say 20 only, right? So, but I want to print to the addition to that. Suppose I'm configuring here. So every time new value is printed, na, right? So if I put plus equal, so plus, that means already in position, what is there? 10. To that, what you are adding this 10. And very important, so that value is 20. Every time it is 20. But this time, this new value should be stored in new position. Right? Every time that new value should be stored in new position. Suppose where new position is equal to position plus equal to 10. If I written like this, and we are printing, what is it? New position. We are printing new position. Then it is 20, 20. Every time the same is coming. Let's put one example now so that you can clearly understand this. That means I will give a mathematical based example so that you can understand. That will be in designing such things because string, okay. In string, you understood what value is working for string. In the string, what value it is using. So the basic value, whatever is there to the value, new value is added. But for number also, you can have that mechanism. Just very simple. I will show you. See, let's create one good example for that so that you can implement the same everywhere. One good example for that means how we can use plus equal, right? With numbers and other options. Let's see. For that, I am creating one picture. I will take some images. This is one big example we are designing now. See. Okay, I will copy some images. KFC top. Okay. Okay. Now I am keeping those images here. Fine. This is our project folder. I'm showing you in a big concept how this works. Okay, let's see. Now I will add a new file. So KFC online. Based on that, I will give you one task. Okay. See. Now let's put all the bootstrap here. Head, title, and here we defined link, relation, style sheet, href, node modules, bootstrap, dist, bootstrap.css. Okay. Another link, relation, style sheet, href, node modules, bootstrap icons, font icons.css. Let's keep the body section script. So source is equal. So node modules jQuery dist jQuery.js. Another script source node modules jQuery, not jQuery, bootstrap dist js, bootstrap bundle.js. Let's keep this class as container fluid. Okay, and we'll keep an image header. In header, I'm adding an image source, public images, KFC top image, class as W100 and D block, display block. Okay, now I will give some height as 150 or 60. Okay, this is the image this is the image at the top. Okay, original size, yeah, I will give here one thing, display block I will remove. So and this is ordinary image. Header, we will keep width 100%. Okay, that's fine. Okay, now below this we will design section. Okay, that is section. We have the header and the section. Okay, this is in the head tag we are writing. Okay, fine. Okay, right? Yeah, fine. So now we have this. Now let's go in the section. We will design like accordion. We will design like accordion. Already we learned accordion. Remembered? We will design like accordion. How to design accordion? We have to use the class. So this is accordion. Accordion ID I will give as accordion ID as KFC. Okay. In accordion, how to design accordion? You remembered? Accordion contains accordion. Yeah. Accordion contains accordion header. Am I right? Accordion header. In a header, we keep a button. That button will be which one? So accordion button. Accordion contains accordion item. Na? It contains an accordion item. Accordion item. In accordion item, we are using, yeah. I removed that one. Yeah. So we have to create accordion item. In accordion item, we are using accordion header. In accordion header, we have accordion button. Accordion button, I will put a class. as a accordion button. Okay, here I will give as customer info. Okay, that is customer info. That is the accordion button here we are configuring. So how do we put a collapse button here? We need to keep this collapsed. We have to add one more container inside this div. It should work as what? Collapse, right? Collapse. And it should be what? Accordion collapse. It should have an ID as a customer. Okay. Already you tried now? Right. So, and we need to define here one more option. What is it? Accordion body. Inside this, we have to create accordion body. In this accordion body, we need to keep items. So here one link is missing. That is title is KFC form. Just we misplaced the content. This is accordion button. Okay. Now what should happen on this button click? We need to toggle now. These buttons we can use. What are those symbols? Already we know that instead of this we will give BTN danger. Okay, according to our screen design, what we want. So that is button. For this, I don't need accordion button. That will keep like this now. And I will keep as W100. It will fit like this. The info. Now in this, on this button click, it should toggle this customer, right? In the body, we will design some information. We will put a div. We will put a class as row. Okay. And in this, we will design a div. This is the class as call. Now we will design two classes here. The class is column. Here we will keep the content. What is it? I will put in this as a div, class as card, and div, and an image source is public images. We have OM1. So class as card image top. So, and the height as some 150 pixel. That's it. And below that, we have a card header. And here we will put a heading. So, and we will keep this as OMG some burger. That is the option. And we will keep one more div, class as card body. So a card footer I will give directly. Put input type is equal to radio, right? We are using radio. And here I will define, so ampersand hash 8377 semicolon, suppose, so 120, like this I am giving. So this is, so much work is there. We are designing that, and this should display, right? What we have to do, this collapse, where is it? Accordion collapse. We have to use what? Show. It will display like this. This is the burger and its cost we are displaying. And the card, I will put style width as suppose 250 pixel. it will be better. Okay, that is the option. And in this row text center, so in the column, actually we don't have another column now, so this is fine. Okay, this text will be center, right? We can keep anywhere in the card or in the header, anywhere we can keep it. Okay, fine. This is one column. Second column I will copy. So here this one, this is in the second column. In the second column, OMG2 PNG, here OMG roller, and its cost is 100. And you know how to handle radio buttons, so I will give them. Remember, this entire is not customer. I will add one more option above. Actually this is related to meal. Okay, give ID as meal, and here I will define as meal info, or say select select your meal. I'm giving like this, select your meal. In that user can select, and you know that radio buttons out of two only one should be selected. Then what we have to do, we have to give a name. Name is meal. Here also we have to give a name. What is it? Meal given. And you should have an ID so that we can access it in code. OPT, this is burger. Okay, and this is ID OPT roller. And when user selects, it should have a value. What is value? OMG burger. And what is the value here? OMG roller. This is the meal type. Here we have user can select meal, and user can choose any one. How to give like radios good effect, you know already. We can use a class. What is it? So for the class we have to use form check input. This is the class used for radios and checkbox. Form check input. So then it will have a good appearance for those radios. Okay, these are radio buttons. Out of these two, user can select any one. Okay, fine. It should be collapsible na? Then you know how to handle it. What? So on the header button, okay, on this data BS target, target is hash what? Meal. And what is it? Data BS toggle. Toggle is what? Collapse. Na? Data BS toggle will be collapse. That means it will collapse and show. And very important, it is an accordion. Accordion means, you remembered already, we discussed one more. For this collapse we have to use data BS parent. Remember, parent, it should work for whom? KFC. Otherwise every collapse will be independent, but here it should work like a collapse expanded, another collapse should hide. In that case we should have data BS parent. That is what you learned in Bootstrap. Huh? Okay, now it is fine. As of now this is okay. Now actually I don't want to show, then I will remove this show. By default it will be hidden. When click it will open. Now above this I will put one more accordion item. Oh, so much work is there. We will do one thing. We will copy this. Huh? Okay, copy this entire accordion item. Copy this entire accordion item. Okay, this is the accordion collapse. Okay, one more line. This copies the entire accordion item. Okay, let me copy. Now in this another accordion item we are adding. Another accordion item, and in this we are changing. See, this is for your understanding sake. I will put a comment that is 2, item 2. Okay. So in this accordion, I will say select add-ons. Add-ons. Add-ons, user can select one or two, multiple also. Then we will do like this. ID I will give as add-on. Okay, right. Data BS toggle. Data BS target will be add-on. Okay, parent is same. In the body section, in the card, we are changing. This is so some wings.png. And here we will give as hot wings. And here I will put this not as radio, OPT wings, and the value is some hot wings, and the name not required because it is not radio. It is now a checkbox, and its cost for hot wings is some 70. Okay, that is one checkbox. Okay, what about the second one? Second one is fries. So wings and crusher. Okay, and I will give here as crusher brownie. Okay, and here OPT crusher, and here we will put the value as crusher brownie. Okay, and here name not required, and type we will change it to checkbox, and here cost as 40. Now you can see this is the second one. Now these are the add-ons available, and this is the meal available. Out of these two, only one will be displayed. That means we can select a meal and we can select an add-on. Okay, now above I will give one more option. Let's go above. Means above this, I will add, this is another item I am adding in a, but this item doesn't require so many things. For this item, I will give customer info. Okay. In this customer info, in the body section, we don't need all this. I will remove all this from the body section. Okay, in the body section, we will just put ID as customer and data BS toggle target as customer. Okay. Here we have to keep in the body. Just I will keep data list with the data term, that is customer name. Data definition, we will put a text box. Input type is equal to text ID, txt name. Class as what? Form control. Another data term is mobile. And data definition, input type is equal to ID as txt what? Mobile. Class is a form control. Okay. Now this is the customer info. We have customer info, we have meal, and we have add-ons. Now user can enter these details. By default, I want customer details open. Then I will keep it as show. By default, it will be displaying. Now, after selecting add-on, please let's scroll down. After selecting all this add-on, this is item, last item. Here I will put a div and class as row. In that I will keep a div, class as column, and here I will put a button place order. Okay, I'll keep place order, and I will keep this as class btn danger w100. You can see at the last place order will come. Now when user enters the details, so user enters the name, mobile number, he will select a meal which one he want. He can choose only one meal, and user can select add-on. He can choose one or he can choose both. And user clicks on place order. When clicks on place order, I want the summary. Summary means bill summary. Need to pay. Here important is the cost we have to calculate. Suppose user select meal as roller cost is 100, and user selected brownie. This cost must be added to meal cost. That means keep the meal cost as it is, and add-on cost must be added to meal cost. That will be total amount he need to pay. So without disturbing that, here we need these kind of assignment operators. Now on place order click, I need to get the summary of all of this in a pop-up. Okay, in a pop-up means, one more work is there. What I have to do here, we need to design another div. This is class, what is it? Model. id as summary. Summary is your bill summary. Then here we will design, class as a model dialog. So we have a div class as model content, right? And in this we have another div class as model header. In model header, I will keep a heading. So bill summary, your bill summary, right? Here I have to display a button as class as btn close. Okay, now data bs dismiss. What is it? Model. Okay, and in the body div class, here we have model body. In the model body, I want to display the summary. So how you want to display? I will use a data list. In a data term, this is customer name. Data definition, id lbl name. Okay, another data term, mobile. Data definition, id, what is it? lbl mobile. Okay, next, meal. Which meal they selected? That information, id lbl meal. Another one, add-on. Add-ons. So what add-ons they selected? Add-ons they selected. Data definition here, id lbl add-on. Okay, total bill amount, how much? Total amount, how much they have to pay. So here I will give id as lbl amount. These all must be displayed when user clicks on this button, place order. That means here we have to use data bs target hash summary, data bs toggle. Data bs toggle is a model, and you can see on place order it will click. But those details need to be calculated na? We need to calculate the details and display them. So here model I will use as fade. Okay, and on this summary click, we have to write on click. We have to write click. So on summary order click, like order click. On order click, we have to write the function. Go to top, and here we have to write in the script. Okay, what is the functionality here? On order click, function is order click. First, we have to get lot of details. On order click, customer name and customer mobile must be displayed in simple. Nothing special. What we have to do? Document dot get element by ID LBL name LBL name dot inner HTML is equal to document dot get element by ID txt name dot value. Similarly, document get element by ID LBL mobile dot inner HTML document get element by ID txt mobile value. Okay, this is fine. Now I need to get two radio buttons and verify which radio button they selected. I need so many details. One is I need meal name. Meal name is initially empty because meal name will be decided later when user selects. It is string type. Another meal cost is 0. This also will be decided when user selects the meal. Similarly, we have add-on name. Add-on name is also empty. Okay, another variable add-on cost. Add-on cost is equal to 0. Right? As of now, nothing is there. Okay. Now, meal name and meal cost depends on radio buttons. We have to collect two radio buttons. Okay. Where OPT burger document dot get element by ID OPT burger. This is one radio button. Second radio button OPT roller document get element by ID OPT roller. This is second radio button. Okay. Now I have to verify. Remember, both cannot be selected because both have same name. Out of these two, only one will be selected. So if OPT burger dot checked means selected. You know, HTML have a checked property. If burger is checked, what should be meal cost? Meal cost is 120. That is the meal cost. Okay. What should be meal name? Meal name should be OPT burger dot value. OPT burger have a value called OMG burger. Value will be stored as meal name. Okay, good. Next, another condition. If OPT roller dot checked, if roller is checked, we should not write else. Why we should not write else? Because if they selected roller, it will verify burger, then comes to roller. It should not verify others. It should verify only what they selected. Then we have to write separate if condition. Meal cost. Okay, meal cost 100. And what is meal name? Meal name is only one. That means OPT roller dot value. So that is ready. Meal cost and meal value is ready. Now, how about add-on cost? That depends on two checkboxes. We have to collect those two checkboxes. One is OPT wings document dot get element by ID OPT what wings. This is one checkbox. Another checkbox OPT crusher document get element by ID OPT crusher. This is second checkbox. Now we need to verify which one they selected. So if OPT wings dot checked, what should be add-on cost? Add-on cost will be 70. Now this cost must be added to meal cost without disturbing meal cost. And what we have to do is meal cost plus equal to add-on cost. Like this we write. That means, what does that means? Meal cost is equal to meal cost whatever is there plus add-on cost. Otherwise, if I just put equal, meal cost will be deleted and add-on cost will be added. This is add and assign. Right? Concept. Okay. Now, one more option is there. What is the add-on name. Add-on name here, add-on name can be more than one. That means they can select one or more than one. So if they already selected one add-on, this add-on must be added to that. Then again plus equal. Plus equal, what is the add-on name? So we have to get it from opt wings dot value. BR for a line break. For a line, because second one, if they selected, it will come below it. So that means add-on name should be added to existing name. Meal cost should be added to existing. Similarly, I'm using another. If opt crusher dot checked, what should happen? Add-on cost is 40 rupees. Again, this cost must be added to meal cost. Remember, meal cost is already there with previous add-on cost. To that, again, we have to add. So again, meal cost plus equal, what is it? Add-on cost. And the same add-on name plus equal. What we have to use, opt crusher dot value. That's how we need to display. Now the meal cost and add-on meal cost must be displayed. Add-on name, meal cost must be displayed in labels. So document dot get element by ID meal. LBL meal dot inner HTML. Here we have to display meal name. Similarly, document get element by ID. What is it? LBL add-on. Add-on spelling how I given check. LBL add-on, same you have to give, okay? LBL add-on, right? LBL add-on dot inner HTML is equal to add-on name. What add-ons they have selected, it will display add-on name. Similarly, one more, get element by ID, LBL amount dot inner HTML. Amount is present in meal cost. We have to display meal cost. Meal cost contains the amount. Suppose I want to display in a currency, then I can just add plus ampersand hash 8377 semicolon plus meal cost. Like this we can display. Now here I'm displaying all the details here in a model. Let's run this and see. Customer name and mobile number and meal OMG roller means 100, and I am selecting crusher brownie means 140. Place order, it will get and display it. That means the bill summary is 140. You can keep side by side or anything. Suppose I will go close here and I will select hot wings also. That means 140 plus, that means you can see 210. And both details are added. Add-ons, these two selected, 210. Suppose I am removing 40. Then place order, you can see it is only hot wings 170. I am removing this hot wings also, then it is only 100. Now there is no add-on. For that you can write logic, like if add-ons are not selected, then put some other message saying that add-on not selected. And you see I am changing the meal. I am changing the meal from roller to burger and place order. It will be 120. And I am selecting burger with add-on like hot wing. Its cost will be 190. And with that again 40, and this is 230. So here the main concept is add and assign. That means into the same reference, we need to store another value without disturbing the existing. For that we are using string. For that we are using number. If you know this technique, then based on that you can do so many things. That means why you need to add on and how we can configure add on. right? This is one simple example for handling these kind of interactions, right? So I hope you understood this, how to handle and design. This is the complete example, and here this is example of KFC form, right? And here we used all bootstrap. So some bootstrap models, bootstrap accordions, we are using them, designing in this way. Now, if you can try this, now one task is there for you, right? First, you need to try this. Now, based on that, I will give you one task. You have to design it. And if you can do it, that's very good, right? So, based on the same concept, right? These are related to what kind of operators? Assignment operators. We have comparison operators and we have assignment operators. Now, we will see how we handle the logical operators and special operators and other type of operators, that we'll see tomorrow, right? This example you have to try. Now I am giving entire code, same exactly try. Then tomorrow I will give you a task on this, right? Another example similar to this you have to try. That's good if you can do it. Okay, then tomorrow we will continue. Tomorrow we will see another example. Okay, right? Understood na everything here, huh? Right?